Today, I am reviewing the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Pro projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this projector for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a smart projector that combines cinema-grade sound, crystal-clear visuals, and the convenience of true smart TV integration, then the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Pro might just be the ultimate choice for your home or outdoor entertainment setup in 2025. Let's start with what really sets this projector apart: the audio experience. The D1 Pro is not just loud, it's smart. It features Dolby audio combined with dbx-tv Total Sonics technology, which delivers exceptional depth, clarity, and immersive surround sound. Rain in a movie sounds like it's falling right above you. Explosions rumble with real weight. And voices? Crisp, clear, and cinematic. Powered by built-in 20-watt speakers, this projector easily outperforms many external speakers and even rivals soundbars in the $300 range. If you want a projector that sounds as good as it looks, this is a serious contender. Speaking of content, this is where the EAZZE D1 Pro shines for modern streamers. It comes officially certified with built-in Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. No need to plug in a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or PC. Just connect to Wi-Fi, log in, and you're streaming high-quality content instantly. This is especially important because many projectors still don't support licensed streaming apps natively, forcing users to deal with workarounds. With the D1 Pro, it's all built-in and seamless. Now, let's talk about smart automation. The EAZZE D1 Pro is one of the few projectors in its class with a 4-in-1 real-time AI-assisted system. What does that mean for you? It means autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto obstacle avoidance, and auto screen alignment. All done within seconds. No fiddling with manual dials, no getting up to adjust the focus. You place it down, and the projector does the rest. It's truly plug and play on a whole new level. When it comes to picture quality, this projector delivers where it counts. You're getting native 1080p resolution, not the cheap 720p upscaled visuals many low-end projectors try to sell you on. Plus, it supports 4K content via HDMI and includes HDR10 for sharper contrast and richer colors. The image is vibrant, with excellent depth and clarity, perfect for movies, sports, gaming, and even presentations. Whether you're watching a film outdoors at night or gaming in a dark room, you'll be impressed by how crisp and detailed the visuals look. But what about brightness? The D1 Pro offers 350 ANSI lumens, measured by ISO/IEC standards, which is equivalent to some projectors that falsely advertise up to 30,000 lumens. It's bright enough for both indoor and dusk-time outdoor use, and unlike many projectors in this price range, the image doesn't wash out in moderate light. Now, let's dive into connectivity. With dual-band 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, streaming is fast, smooth, and lag-free. It also supports two-way Bluetooth 5.2, meaning you can use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker or connect it to external audio devices like headphones or soundbars. You also get all the necessary ports: HDMI, USB, audio out, and more, so compatibility with consoles, laptops, streaming sticks, and smartphones is guaranteed. The remote control is also a nice touch. It offers both infrared and Bluetooth control, giving you freedom to navigate menus and adjust settings without having to point it directly at the projector. Plus, the interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it a great choice even for less tech-savvy users. And let's not forget about its portability. Compact, lightweight, and stylish, the EAZZE D1 Pro is perfect for movie nights in the backyard, gaming in the living room, or presentations on the go. With screen sizes ranging from 40 to 200 inches, you can adjust your viewing experience to fit any space. To wrap it up, the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Pro smart projector offers exceptional value.